Now we are going to create our calculations worksheet. Here we are. And we are going to do the following. Here we will have here in C2 our scroll bar position. Scroll bar position. I will show you later this. Okay, I'm going to click like this. Then from this point, here we can the 10 products for the scroll bar position. So here we're going to have the 10 products here below, and I'm gonna do the following. Copy the arrow here, 3, 4, 5. Here where we have our table. I'm gonna select this first of all, make it white. Here, make it okay. This yellow here. Here I will have my 10 products. 10. Okay, gonna make like this. I'll select this area, format cells, border, the color is this one. Okay, we created our table here. We will see the values after this. Then from here we are going to, so this is our source. We're going to create a table where we're going to elaborate the data to be displayed here, because we are going to, if you remember from here, this area will be updated according to the data that we have here, and we're going to change this data. First of all, getting this data from sorted data and the scroll bar position. So here we're going to basically copy the original data and copy the table for the KPIs. Original data. Then here I'm and the 20. Okay, first of all I'm going to call this, I'm going to call it table TBL KPIs. Okay, here we are. If we're going to formulas, we're going to rename this with this name. Okay. Copy the same. So we have our original data. So we have 10 products for the scroll bar position. Original data. Okay. Select all this part. From cell here, this color for this part. I don't need the target for this. The following here, I'm going to type here a position. I'm not ready yet. Click on this. I'm gonna call this. Okay, so we created a value here. If you go into formulas, manage names, we have val sorcon number. Okay, this one. I'm gonna create some space. Okay, here I'm going to format this one like this. The same format of this, and this one has the same format of this. So this is sorted by, okay, sorted by. And this one is basically this one, and I'm going to select one of these. Okay, now it's value because here there is nothing to do this singularly. G20. Okay, here we see that we have KPI 3. If I tap here 6, no. Okay, we know that how it is done the sort for our to determine this sorting value. So this determines which ones to sort from, and here the scroll bar position. Now that we have this, we are going to do another thing. We're going to create here a sorted table. Okay, sorted table, and this one is equal to this one. Okay, then I'm going to and here I'm going to type the following: format cells, again like this. This is bold. This one will be equal to choose, and I'm going to take this position, this one, and then I'm going to select this one, this one, this one, and then I'm going to type 101, which is the maximum number of products plus 1 minus this one, closing this, and I get 84. Okay, I think I didn't consider all the products here, so we have to do like this. Basically, when you copy the entire table, they have to be on the same row as this one. Okay, we're going to copy all this. So I'm going to use the rank function, rank this one, J, but I fixed this 21, selected. Let's see if it is correct. Rank this, and it's position 1, as you can see here. So I created a sort according to sorted table. I created this sorted table like this. So we have the original data. I create a sort table here to get the index, and we will continue to get now this table according to the sorted order.